This clip about Mark Zuckerberg saying AI will replace mid-level engineers is going viral on the internet.
Probably in 2025, we at Meta, as well as the other companies that are basically working on this, are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that you have at your company that can write code.
But it's not just him. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, said that AI will enter the workforce by 2025, which means this year. Every tech CEO is betting on AI agents to join the workforce this year. Look at what the CEO of Salesforce said about the future of employees. We are going to have AI coworkers. Can you believe it? Harvard Business Review has also stated that the search for gig workers, basically freelancers for small tasks in platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, has significantly dropped after the release of ChatGPT. This means small task jobs are already being replaced by AI every day. NVIDIA gave us the way forward and a hint about the future of AI in CES 2025. But don't worry, AI won't steal all the jobs right away. Instead, it will change how we work, for the time being. Anyway, let me explain. So, what's an AI agent? Imagine a robot living inside your computer that can do entire tasks by itself. Let me give you a simple example. To make this video, I need to research the topic, film myself talking, find cool photos and videos for B-rolls, edit everything, and finally, upload it to YouTube. That takes hours. So, if my goal is to upload one long-form video every day, then I would have to hire a content writer to help with research and script, an editor to edit the video, and maybe even a translator or a voice artist if I want subtitles or it dubbed in different languages. And it will cost me a lot of money as well as time. But what if I use an AI agent? It can do all of this by itself. I can just type a prompt saying, "Hey, make a video about AI agents for YouTube, maybe 10 minutes long." And it will search the web, collect resources, write a script, record the audio, edit videos, and even upload the video automatically to YouTube. That's why everyone's so hyped about AI right now. But here's the good news. It's not going to happen right now or this year. That's what I think. Anyway, you can stay ahead of the competition if you're smart. So let me share 4 tips in this video and list some useful tools to help you land a better job in a much more efficient way. So first is how to search for jobs smartly. Start by using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to build the perfect resume. You can use any generative AIs for it. If you want more help, then try websites like enhanceav.com. It uses AI to design your resume. Or you can try kickresume.com to build a resume from scratch. It's an absolute website. You should definitely check it out. There are other websites like resumeworded.com. This can turn your LinkedIn profile into a resume. And resumenerd.com. It updates your resume as you apply for jobs. Once your resume is ready, use AI tools to apply for jobs fast. A few months ago, this Reddit post went viral for using an AI bot to apply for thousands of jobs while the applicant was sleeping. It also got a lot of job interviews. The user has shared the GitHub link to the AI agent. It's called AI Hawk, and you can check it on GitHub. You can try tools like careerflow.ai, hireview.com, aiapply.co, or tealhq.com. They all autofill job applications for you, pretty much like an AI bot that applies to jobs for you. Oh, and there's a trend of job swiping apps like Tinder for jobs. Check out getahead.com.au, jobswipe.net, or hireswipe.com. Just swipe right on the jobs you like. The second tip is how to target your skill-based niche. Focus on jobs that match your unique skills. For remote work or startups, try websites like builtin.com. You can also go to the careers page on angellist.com. Cutshort.io has listed a lot of jobs. If you're looking for YC-backed startup jobs, you can go to ycombinator.com/jobs. You have good chances on websites like wellfound.com, remote.co, topstartups.io, or workingnomads.com/jobs. These sites list jobs that will fit your skills and background. They offer remote work, hybrid, and even on-site. So diversifying your search in multiple job listing websites will make your chances of getting a job much faster. Third tip is how to keep up with the trends in your field. Use perplexity.ai. It's a super smart AI search engine to stay updated on what's new. For tech news, follow websites like artificialintelligence-news.com, AImagazine.com, MIT Technology Review, or AIbusiness.com. You can also read blogs on dev.to and medium.com. And don't forget to check the reports from big consulting companies like McKinsey, Boston Consulting Group, Bain, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG, and Accenture. They publish free reports about industry trends and current market analysis. The final tip is how to stay socially active in communities. LinkedIn is the best place to get noticed by your employers. Spend at least 1 to 2 hours daily by liking their posts, commenting on the stuff in your industry, or sharing your own projects. Employers love seeing you're active. Do the same on YouTube, X, formerly Twitter, and other platforms. In my next videos, I'll share specific tools for tech, finance, and management to help you stay ahead of the curve. The internet is full of confusing AI stuff, and you can get lost or distracted easily. But I'll break it down into simple, useful tips just for you. So subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. It's bye from Byte Robo.